Hello everybody, so I'm just gonna share you the code for 1 year subscription for skills here, right? First of all, what you need to do is you need to have a premium VPN in order to change your location to Los Angeles after changing it. So you see, my VPN is on Los Angeles right now. So any other location won't work that good. So here I have this. I can do by the PayPal method or a gift card method. So basically what I'm gonna do is to use the uh, uh, this uh, gift card method. So it's gonna be DBEX8R. So that's gonna be the code for now. So I'm just gonna do apply and let's wait for it to apply it. So now it shows 12-month free. So let's do by YouTube, right? And we can do activate the plan. So you might miss it, so you need to redeem it as soon as possible. So it has been activated. So let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for a few seconds. You know how it goes with this VPN. It will take a time. And let's check our VPN. It's connected. And it has been loading it. So let's wait for it. Okay, it should show the front one, default one. So it's working. So select the topic that you have been interested. So I'm just gonna select it on everything because we can. So there is personal order. So web development, culinary, music, finance, creative writing, film, social media. So my advice is to just use after a week since it has been activated, right? So I think it will go through the checking process, otherwise your account will be banned, right? So just be careful with that. Let's do this and let's get started with. Hang on we personalize your homepage. So let's go. Let's wait for it to load. It's also the front homepage. Okay, it has been added, and let's wait for it. Your subscription should be expire on June 19th, right? So let's say let's see the course, right? Okay, I like it. So what you need to do is after redemption, just go on this icon and do sign out. Just sign out. Don't do anything. Just leave it as it is. And check your mail in VPN only. So that's the tips. Otherwise, your chance of getting blocked is high, but just be careful. Just remember this. Thank you guys.